Welcome to Blue Mountain Village, Ontario, Canada. We're going to take you to the top of the mountain and ski our first run of the year. Here we go.
I was just a gamer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Blue Mountain Village Ski Resort. This is the first run of the year. I like to document it. Here we are in line. It's about 3:30. Anyways, there's 17 of the 43 runs open. Hence, we can conclude that Mother Nature has not given us a lot of snow, but we're on the slopes. We're gonna get on the lift and we're gonna check it out. So let's see what the conditions are like. They look a little icy, but we're gonna go up. First run. Let's just get through this without hurting anybody else or ourselves. We're getting on the Silver Bullet chairlift. It is a 6-seater and it is right in the village. As I'm riding up here, I can see and hear the ice, and there's a lot of brown patches. So the ski run to the left here is a blue run. It's called Tranquility. I think we're gonna attempt that first. If I do snap a knee or I pull a muscle, the good thing about this, once you get down to the bottom, you're still in the village. I can take my skis off and get right back to the chalet, maybe get into the hot tub a little bit earlier than I thought. So, did somebody say, hot tub? Let's try and stay safe today. So the top sign on the right side is a blue run. It is Tranquility. There it is. We're gonna do Tranquility.
Watch the ice.
Yep, just as I suspected, it's icy. I like this lookout spot here. You can see Georgian Bay. You can see the village below us. It's about -2. It's cloudy and the sun's going to go down in about the next hour. Snowboarder guy there did a bit of a face plant. And he's up, he looks okay. There you have it, the first run of the year. It's pretty icy at Blue Mountain Village in Ontario, Canada, just outside of Collingwood. See you on the slopes. Ciao for now.